Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to rename a project in Claude AI. So here's how to rename an existing project in Claude AI. So open Claude AI and sign in to your account. Now in the left sidebar, click projects. Now once you're here, so find and click the project you want to rename. So you can open the project. Next, click the project name at the top of the project page. So right here, I'm going to click that. So this project's name is sample, so I'm going to click this, and then I'm going to change it. So enter your new project name, press enter, or click save to confirm. So your Claude project should now appear under the new name. So let's go back. Now another method you can do is to hover over to that project, then click the three dots next to it.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish step-by-step tutorials on useful software, apps, and tools to help you get things done every single day. And so if you're finding these videos useful, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. And of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release more tutorials just like this one. Now, let's continue.
Then tap edit details and tap name and change the name. You can also edit the description and click save. And that's it. So that's how you can rename a project in Claude AI. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.